Simplify the following algebraic fraction. When we divide two fractions, we can evaluate that by flipping the second fraction and multiplying by the reciprocal of it. So that means this can be written as follows. So we've just got the reciprocal of the dividing fraction. We're going to multiply that instead, which means we multiply across the top line and across the bottom line to evaluate this. In order to simplify it, we're first going to factorize. So for the first fraction, the numerator is x squared minus 3x minus 4. And to factorize this, we look for the factors of negative 4 that add up to give negative 3. So if you have a think about that, we can use negative 4 and positive 1 to factorize. Therefore, this can be written as x minus 4 times x plus 1. For the denominator, we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. And to factorize that, we need to look for factors of 3 that add up to 4. And if you inspect the factors of 3, you can choose 3 and 1 which add to 4, which means that the denominator can be written as x plus 3, x plus 1 in factorized form. We then multiply by the second fraction, and for the numerator, we can see that x squared plus x minus 6 can be factorized by looking at the factors of negative 6 that add up to give 1. And if we do that, we can see that negative 2 and positive 3 add up to 1, so we can use those to factorize the numerator. So we're going to have x minus 2 times x plus 3. All of that's going to be still divided by the denominator, which we need to look for factors of negative 16 that add up to 0, or another way of thinking that is a difference of two squares or a difference of perfect squares. So we can use negative 4 and positive 4 to factorize this, which means that this is x plus 4 times x minus 4. Next, we can look for all the factors that are common to the top line and the bottom line and cancel them. So here we have x minus 4 and x minus 4 that will cancel. We also have x plus 3 and x plus 3 which will cancel. And we also have x plus 1 and x plus 1 which will cancel. Therefore, this simplifies down to x minus 2 divided by x plus 4 as the simplified algebraic fraction.